Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So we're going to show you Pioneer DMH-1500 installed on Porsche Carrera 2006. So we've used our Porsche dash kit that allows us to install it nice and clean. As you can see, the color matches the original colors. The DMH-1500 is a 7-inch system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but no CD. We have installed the USB for the customer just under the armrest, so we've put flash mount USB in the armrest in here, so you can plug in your phone and close the armrest, and you have a nice clean, you don't see anything there, and you use everything control from here. This vehicle also had the Bose sound system, so we installed an amplifier to retain the factory subwoofers and ran the speakers to the radio. The Bose amplifier is installed in the front of the front trunk. As you can see, Pioneer is a very nice system. The Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is a very nice add-on to your vehicle. Makes it easier to use the car and your phone without actually touching the phone. You have everything from voice commands, Siri to Google. You have the Bluetooth. You have also the radio in here. You can add a backup camera if you wish to have. The system is very good system. The equalizer here, you have 13 band of equalizer, so you can actually have quite a nice clean sound. The systems you can add even a front camera and other features. For more electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.